This is a video on solving one-step equations. So we have a variable plus 17 equals 4. So a plus 17 equals 4. We want to get rid of the plus 17, so we'll do the opposite operation. So plus here paired with the minus will cancel it. So subtract 17. I have to do both sides. Okay, I'm going to have subtracting 17 from both sides. The equal sign drops down. I'm going to do my results of the subtraction. So 4 minus 17 is negative 13. And the whole point of subtracting 17 was to cancel this 17 above it. So those are gone. And the A drops down. Done. Second problem, B minus 11. Very similarly, I have a minus 11 here. If I add 11, that will cancel. Dropping the B down, drop the equation down, or the equal sign, and I have negative 8 plus 11 is equal to 3. And that one's done. These are not lengthy problems. I have a multiplication here. This looks like a very common misconception here is that this negative is like subtraction. It is not. This is multiplying that C. In order to cancel multiplication, I'm going to divide. So I'm going to divide by all of this on both sides. Again, the equation drops down. The result of division, 32 over 4 is 8, and the negative over negative would cancel. The 4 and the 4 cancel, and the negatives cancel there. So I'm left with C equals 8. The last one, I have division. This is a division bar. So if I multiply both sides by negative 9, again, multiply, not subtract. 2 times the negative 9 is negative 18. And the negative 9's cancel, and I get D equals negative 18. And that is solving one-step equations.